Welcome back to our video tutorial series on creating great ShareMy360.com virtual tours. This is the fourth of 6 tutorial videos, and in this video we'll be looking at using the Tour Manager. The Tour Manager is where all ShareMy360.com virtual tours are built. The Tour Manager has many tools and features aimed at making the process of building a virtual tour as simple as possible. At the top of the page to the right side, there are 3 important blue buttons: Save Changes, Publish Tour, and Revert Changes. Save Changes. As with any project, it's always a good idea to save your changes as you proceed by hitting the Save Changes button. Publish Tour. In order to view your tour as a whole or share it with others, you'll need to click the Publish Tour button. Your tour will not be visible until it's published. And finally, Revert Changes. Change your mind or make a mistake? Click Revert Changes to undo all changes made and revert to the last time you saved your tour. Moving just a little further down the page, you'll find the main tools you'll need to build your virtual tours. These buttons appear at the top of the blue window and are Add Photos, Replace Photos, Remove Photos, Add Hotspots, Remove Hotspots, and Settings. Let's go through each of these important tools so you'll understand their functionality. Add Photos. Click this button to add photos to your segment. If you're not sure on how to do that, refer to video 3 in this series on adding images. Replace Photos. Simply click on the image in the film strip that you'd like to be replaced. Click the Replace Photo button and select a new image. The selected image will be replaced with a new one. Remove Photo. If you want to remove a photo, simply highlight the photo you'd like to remove and click the Remove button. Add Hotspots button. Hotspots are an integral part of what makes ShareMy360.com virtual tours different. Hotspots are clickable icons that take users to deeper content within your tour. Hotspots can include images, video links, audio, web links, or links to other segments in your tour. Almost anything you can put online can be included. Click on the Add Hotspot button, then click on the part of the image you'd like the hotspot to appear on. You'll be given a prompt to determine what kind of content you want to embed into the image. There are 3 types of hotspots to choose from: Link to a segment, Embed Media, or Link to Tour. Link to a segment. If you're just starting to build a tour, you won't have any segments to link to. You're building them now. So go ahead and hit the blue Save button. With your first segment saved, you can now create other segments or parts of your tour and link them together. See the Create a New Segment section for the kinds of segments you can include in your tour. This is your chance to get really creative. Your tour doesn't have to be completely linear. Consider how people will react to your content and what they'll want to see next. Embed Media. Use this button to embed audio, video, documents, or a website into your tour. Choose the type of media you'd like to embed into your image: website, video, audio, a document, or photo slideshow. Next, add a title. This will show up in your tour, so think about what your users will understand. For video, please note, only the ID of a YouTube video needs to be included in the URL section when embedding a video. Using the full link will not work. Currently, YouTube is the only video source that can be embedded. For other video sites, you may include them as a website link. You can also select the kind of icon you'd like to appear as your hotspot on your image. Scroll down to view the options available in the settings on the right. You can add some custom features to your icons by selecting the options. They're right there at the top right of the icon panel. Adding a photo slideshow. If you'd like to add several images to one part of your tour, add a slideshow as your embedded media. Click that option and you'll be taken to a screen that allows you to upload all the images for your slideshow. If you're not sure how to do that, refer to our video on adding images. Link to Tour. This kind of link allows users to immediately link to another ShareMy360.com tour in the system. For adding audio clips and documents, follow the exact same steps. Remove hotspots. Click this button to remove a hotspot. Once this button is clicked, all hotspots on the image will become animated. Click on the animated hotspot and you'll be asked to confirm if you'd like to remove that hotspot. Click Confirm to completely remove it. Settings. This tab allows you to edit the details of each of your segments. The Settings button has 3 drop-down options: Segment Info, Loop Segment, and Segment Audio. For Segment Info, this is where you would edit the title of the segment. Loop Segment. For panoramic segments, the photo will be a seamless looping image. For other segments, the last image will be connected to the first. And finally, Segment Audio. If you'd like audio to play during this segment, include the file from your computer or the URL address. Controls for volume and a loop feature are listed below. And that's it for this video. Remember, if you're still having trouble, you can always refer to the PDF document linked at the bottom of this page or in the info bar below this video. If you're really stuck, just send us your email questions to info@sharemy360.com. Our team will get back to you with a response within 3 business days. Coming up in video number 5 in our tutorial series, we'll show you how to link segments and then save and publish your tour.